Just a quick recap. I built a No Weld bolted recumbent trike, drove it down some lanes, through some deep mud and into a lake, and thoroughly broke it. Then I decided to fix it again and take it out in the snow but before that I had to repair a lot of things. Fixed the bike back together at the bottom and made sure all the bolts are very tight on metal washers. Fixed the seat and improved the mount. The seat was previously very wobbly. New idea to make it a bit more stable. You have T-nuts here which take the actual load of the seat, and you have these T-nuts here which will lock the thing in place. So on either side, going down the channels. Good evening. It's winter. I've done a few bits of repair work. I've added in a new side piece here and I've tapped the hole so that this holds on a little better. I replaced the little jockey wheel which reroutes the chain. I found an old derailleur and got the wheel out of that. That should be fine. It was heavy going through the snow. The narrow front tyres cut grooves rather than compacting it down. But I did manage to get to the local bridge. On turning the bike around and trying to accelerate for the first time, the small plastic jockey wheel got its teeth stripped by the chain and canted off sideways, making a terrible noise. More design work needed, therefore.
Many months later.
Good morning. I repaired the little jockey wheel. I've made it a bit stronger. It's got a thicker axle. The Velcro patch has come off the seat, so what I intend to do is use a bit of carpet tack tape. It's very sticky. Oh, silly. There we go. That's got a good, okay. So, take that on. So we got to 86.84. I'm not going to reset it, but we'll make a note of, we'll just have to do 1,000 kilometers in 86.84. This time I'm going to take a selection of Allen keys if anything does break. And I've got a little bit more backup. Also going to be refitting the battery box. Got wing nuts on there. There we go. Tighten them because I remember this rattled last time and that was annoying. Piece of foam. Box goes in. Lid. Holds it nicely.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it again. Oh, yeah, I remember what I was going to do. I was going to set the gears so they were correct. I did do that. Actually, I thought I did. I obviously need to do a bit more. But me touching the gears is not a... Stop touching the gears. Actually works then. Let's not aim for fast, let's aim for going forward. Okay, that doesn't have a lot to do with the bicycle. I have been doing some cycling in the 3 months between. That's been involving actually going up some hills. Hey look, a hill, okay. Watch me tackle this with my spray. Fine. feels like one of the first nice spring days. It is a nice day. I'll turn left here, head towards Shizun, then head towards Helvetique, I think that's on a cycle path too, and then come back. The little jockey wheel seems to be fine. I haven't seen anything bending. The steering is a little bit kind of flighty. When you yank it in one direction, there's no self-centering. But once it's straight, it definitely is straight. So,
I forgot that cycling a normal bike doesn't help that much when cycling a recumbent. It's all different muscles. Apologies for the cycle computer blocking everything. What I've done is set the seat a little higher so that we are both at about car door level, which I think makes the rider feel safer and makes us more visible. The disadvantage is the high centre of gravity, which I think is contributing to the problems with the steering. So it's a bit of a payoff there. I don't really want to make the track of the bike wider. It's currently at 80 centimetres. There are recumbents which are a metre wide, but that turns it into quite a hefty vehicle. Currently, I can bump a wheel off the cycle path, and somebody in the opposite direction, or somebody overtaking, can get past, no problem.
it looks like we'll be trying that out. I can see some orange a long way up ahead. And not a cyclist. 2 doggies though. My equivalent of a polite cough, which is changing gear. Second.
We'll make for the crossing on the other side of this roundabout.
Oh, so much mud. Quite a lot of slugs as well. Every 10 metres, a squished slug. It's cycle paths on the left. Okay. Yeah, this is a new roundabout. This is only about 6 months old as well. Reasonably empty, nobody on the road. Let's try to see how far it wiggles before I tip over. Ha! I checked the speedo and it was registering 0. And something must have bumped it. Don't think it's been happening for too long though. Oh god, the camera's down too. Learning process. It's a learning process. This is her physique. Trailer. Okay.
The road back from Helvetique was very quiet and pretty. It goes past a mushroom growing facility, a recycling centre and our local wildlife park.
Coming up to it, so